Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about word problems and subtraction. See here from your workbook, page number 27. Okay. See here. The number of men and women living in four colonies in a city are as given below. See here, colony, men, women. Colony A, number of men 4,598, women 4,987. Colony B, number of men 9,671 and women 9,678. Colony C, number of men 8,996 and women 8,955. Colony D, number of men 3,468 and women 3,646. What is the total population in each colony? See here, this is first colony A. See here, colony A, number of men 4,598, number of women 4,987 meter. See, first we add the digits in ones place. 8 plus 7, 15, 5 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 8 taking, 1 carrying. Next add the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 5 taking, 1 carrying. Next add the digits in thousands place, that is 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So this is a colony A. Write down everybody in your workbook. Here, colony A. Now next colony B. Colony B. Here, number of men 9,671, number of women 9,678. First we add the digits in ones place. 1 plus 8, 9, 7 plus 7, 14. So this is the tens place. 7 plus 7, 14. 4 taking, 1 is carry over to the hundreds place. Next add the digits in hundreds place, that is 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 3 taking, 1 carry over to the thousands place. Now next add the digits in thousands place, that is 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 9, 90. So the total population or the number of men and women in colony B, that is equals to 19,349. Next colony C. Colony C, here number of men 8,996. Next 8,955. First we add the digits in ones place. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 taking, 1 is carrying in tens place. Next add the digits in tens place, that is 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 5 taking, 1 carry over to the hundreds place. Next add the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 9 taking, 1 carry over to the thousands place. Next to add the digits in thousands place, that is 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 8, 17. Number of men and women in colony C, that is equals to 17,951. Now next one, colony D. Write down everybody. Colony D. See, in colony D, number of men 3,468 468. Number of women 3646. First to add the digits in ones place. 8 plus 6 14. 4 taking, 1 carrying in tens place. Next add the digits in tens place. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 4 11. 1 taking, 1 carrying in hundreds place. Next add the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 6 11. 1 taking, 1 carry go to the thousands place. Next to add the digits in thousands place. 3 plus 6 6 plus 1 7. Now number of men and women in colony D, that is equals to 7140. Okay beta, write down everybody. See now next word problem. What is the total female population in the 4 colonies put together? See here, number of women, shortcut, in colony A, that is equals to 4987. Number of females in colony B, that is equals to 9678. Number of females in colony C, that is equals to 8955. Number of females in colony D, that is equals to 3646. The total female population in the 4 cities, in the 4 colonies or cities, sorry, 4 colonies, 4 colonies, that is equals to 4987 plus 9678 plus 8955 plus 3646. Then add it. See, write the given number in column wise according to their places. See here, 4987, 9678, 8955, 3646. See here, first add the digits in ones place. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 6, 26, 6 taking, carrying 2 in tens place. Next add the digits in tens place. 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 5 22, 22, 17 plus 5 22, 22 plus 4 22 plus 4 26, 6 taking carrying in hundreds place. Next 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 9 26, 26 plus 6 32, 2 taking carrying 3 in thousands place. Next 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 9 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 3 27. So therefore the total female population in the 4 cities, the 4 colonies, that is equals to 27,226. Write down everybody. Now next one is, what is the total male population in the 4 colonies together? See here, number of men in colony A, that is equals to 4,598. Number of men in colony B, that is equals to 9,671. Number of men in colony C, that is equals to 8,996. Number of men in colony D, that is equals to 3,468. Then the total male population in the 4 colonies, that is equals to 4,598 plus 9,671 plus 8,996 plus 3,468. Now write down 4,598 plus 9,671 plus 8,996 plus 3,468. See here, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 8 23, 3 taking carrying 2 in tens place. Next add the digits in tens place. 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 9 27, 27 plus 6, 27 plus 6. So 13 carrying 33, 3 taking carrying in hundreds place. Next 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 9, 23, 23 plus 4, 27, 7 taking and carrying 2 in thousands place. Next add the digits in thousands place, that is 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 8, 15 plus 8, 15 plus 8, 5 plus 13 carrying on 23, 15 plus 8, 23, 23 plus 3, 26. So you can write 26. Therefore, the total male population in the colonies is equals to 26,733. Write down everybody. Now next one is, what is the difference between the population of the men and the women? See here. The total female population in the 4 colonies that is equals to 27,266. The total male population in the 4 colonies, that is equals to 26,733. The difference between the population of the women and men, that is equals to 27,266 minus 26,733. See here, 27,266, 26,733. 6 minus 3, 3, 6 minus 3, 3, 2 minus 7, not possible, take borrowing from 7, 10 plus 2, 12, 7, it can last here, 6. See, 12 minus 7, 5, 6 minus 6, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the difference? 533. Then you can write so therefore the difference between the population of the women and men, that is equals to 533. So today your class is completed. Thank you everybody.